দোস্ত ক্ষুধা লাগছে। দোস্ত hello everyone. I think I'm audible to all of you. Okay, so welcome to the live, guys. So here, I think you know, guys. Euron has published like lots of career tools. Okay, so you will be getting those are the tool inside Euron platform. So left hand side you can see Euron has published like Euri, then resume AI, jobs, Avani. Okay, so these are the like tools you'll be getting here. Now in this live I'm going to show you the demo of these are the tool, like how you can use it one by one. I will show you all the demo. Okay, so first of all let's try to see the demo of Euri. Okay, how we can use the Euri, one of the, let's say, amazing assistant system. Even Euri has published the API key. You can also use the API key to access different foundation model. So let me just change my account first of all. Yeah, so now let's open up the Euri. So this is the interface of the Euri, guys. So here you can also do the chat operations with the help of this graphical user interface, and from here also you can change different model. And you can see like some amazing models are available like GPT 4.1 Nano, GPT 4.1 Mini, Llama 3.3, okay, 7 billion, then 4 Scout. Then you can see DeepSeek is also available, Gemini, Queen, and Mistral. Okay, so here you can also send the request, and even you can generate the image. You can do the search operations. Okay, you can do the think operations. So everything you can do. Even you can also upload your files. Okay, it is also possible. And left hand side you can see the canvas is also there. So here what you can do, let's say you can draw anything, and this drawing you can also send to the Euri. So it will also able to analyze, okay, your drawing, what you have done and all. And on top of that also you can perform the query operation. Apart from that, so left hand side you can see the memories functionalities are there. My files are there, like whenever you will be uploading any kinds of custom file, okay, it will try to save inside this particular my file sections. Now we'll try to export the API part. So here you can see, guys, this is the API. So here Euri API, you can see this is the authentication. So here is the API token. So if you just copy the token and if you use Python SDK for that, you will be able to access different foundations model. Okay, now let me show you how it can be done. So they have already given the introduction of the Euri API. Okay, what is it and all. You can go through this particular introduction, and here you can see the authentication. So here you'll be getting the API token, and here is the endpoint. So you can hit actually different endpoints, and you can get different route. Okay, here you can see. And apart from that, these are the available models are available. You can see like GPT 4.1 Nano is there, then 4.1 Mini is there. Okay, and what are the things it can perform? So it is also mentioned here. You can see. So this is multi-model, and this is fast model. Okay, then Llama model you can see here. Then apart from that, some embeddings model are also published. Okay, you can also use embedding model. Okay, even some of the models are coming soon also. Now you don't need to go to any other, let's say, provider to get these are the model. Now everything will be getting inside the Euri. Okay, Euri API. Now this is the SDK. So let's say if I want to use with the help of Python, so this is the Python code snippet, and here is the command to install the Euri SDK. Okay, so this is already published as a PyPy package. With the help of pip command you can install that Euri AI. After that you can create a client, and inside that you can mention your API key, give the model name. Okay, then you can generate the response. Okay, here you can pass the prompt, and here you will be getting the response. And if you want to run from the command line interface, guys, this is the command for the command line. Okay, you can see. So first of all, run the Euri AI command, give the API key, give the prompt. Okay, now this is the LangChain integration code. So if you are want to use with the help of LangChain, so here you can use the LangChain client. Okay, that time you can pass the API key, model, and so on, and here you can do the invoke operations. And if you want to use with the help of Node.js, this is the Node.js code. You can see. Okay, now some code examples are also available, and some errors codes are also there. Let's say if you are getting 400 response, so that time this is a bad request. 403 forbidden, 404 not found, 429, okay, too many requests, and 500 means internal server error. So if you are getting this kinds of, let's say, error, you can check here. So what kinds of error you are getting exactly. Now let me show you how we can use this Euri SDK. Okay, so for this I'm going to open up my Google Colab. Okay, Colab, I'll create a new notebook, and here let's copy the SDK. So here I'm going to copy the Python. So this is the code, copy. Even some of the project I also created, it is also available in the channel. You can check it out. Okay, with the help of Euri API, I created the project like medical chatbot and all. So now here, let's connect the notebook, and here I'm going to paste my this one, the code snippet. Okay, you want to use for the um, like inbox operations. Okay, now here you can pass the API key. So where I will get the API key? So API key is available in the authentication copy, and here you can mention it. Even you can create a .env file. There also you can mention the API key. Okay, this is also fine. So here you can give the model name. I've given GPT 1.4.1 Nano. You can also try with Gemini, okay, Llama, and so on. Now here is the prompt I'm giving. So write a short poem about the artificial intelligence. This is the temperature parameter, and this is the max token parameter. Okay, but before that I have to install the Euri AI. So here is the command. Let's copy, and here let me paste it. Done. Now if I execute, so it should give me the response. Let's see. So here guys, here I'm getting the response. So here is the content. Okay, so this is the poem I got about artificial intelligence. Now you can try with different prompt, and you can create different applications with the help of this Euri AI. And how to create the projects and everything I have already explained in your YouTube channel. Okay, there I already published some of the project. You can check it out. So this was the like demo of the Euri AI. Now here you can see like different foundations model are available. You can check with all of the model. Okay, and now let me show you the another service. The next service is like resume AI. Okay, so what you can do in the resume AI, let's say if you are having a one resume and you want to get the feedback like what should be the improvement on the resume, that time you can upload your existing resume. Okay, and if you just click on the analyze button, so it will try to analyze and it will give you the score. Okay, and the improvement section you have to do. And if you want to create a new resume, okay, with the help of this resume AI, you can just click here, and you can fill all the informations, okay, one by one. Okay, you have to fill all the informations. After that, if you just click on done, it will create the entire resume for you. Okay, and that resume you can use, and if some modifications are required, you can also do it. Okay, it is also possible. Okay, so previously I already built one resume. I think let me show you. So the resume you can see I have built here. So the template, so here is the template guys. Okay, you can see it will also generate the cover letter. So this is the cover letter, and this is the resume. Okay, so that's how you can create actually amazing resume with some amazing format. Okay, possible. Now let me show you another one called jobs. Okay, see, not only that, actually even you can also see the analysis part. Even you can see the career roadmap. Okay, like as per your skills, what you have to focus on, like your weekly goals, monthly goals, okay, quarterly goals, you have to also like it will also suggest you. Apart from that, the skills you have to learn, okay, nowadays that will also suggest you here. Okay, you can see. Then the projects part, so whatever project you have mentioned, it will give you the entire explanation of the projects with the technology and everything. Then the interview preparation, let's see, if you're preparing for the interview, you will be also getting different interview questions with the answer as well. Okay, now template I already showed you. Now let me show you the next one called jobs. Okay, now what is jobs? So this is like a service you will be getting. So here only you just need to upload your resume. Okay, you just need to upload your resume, and all the recommended job would be suggested to you. Okay, as per your skills. Okay, as per, let's say, your interest, it will suggest you different jobs, whether it's a remote jobs, whether it's a contract based, whether it's a part-time, whether it's an internship. Okay, so every kinds of job would be visible, and from here what you can do, you can apply for the jobs. Okay, directly you can apply for the jobs. And if you don't have the resume, you can also generate the tailored resume. Okay, from here only. So everything in one place, guys. Okay, everything in one place. Only you just need to uh, learn like how we can use that properly. That's it. Now there is another one called Avani. So what is Avani exactly? So let's say you have learned the generative AI. Now if you are preparing for the interviews but you are a little bit let's say worried about the interview, let's say you have a little bit fear, okay, in yourself, that what you can do, you can come here, you can upload your resume and you can start the interview, okay, with the Avani. So it will ask you actually real time questions. Based on that you can give the response, and that's how actually it will evaluate you, like how good you are performing in the interview. So the with the help of that, what you can get, actually you can get some more motivations, you can get some more, let's say, confidence. So whenever you'll be attending the actual interview, exactly, right? So this is another like AI powered interview, you can say, um, I mean, service, okay, they have created. Now here what you can do, you can just start uploading your resume and you can start giving the interview here directly. Okay. Hmm. So anyone tried, guys? These are the like tools here. Anyone tried? Hmm. So you can try, guys, this Euri API. So it's like amazing, because in a single platform you'll be getting different foundation model. Okay, even the embedding models and all. Yeah. So let me show you one demo. Let's say I want to create a new resume. So let's click here. I will give some information. Let's say my name. I'll give my email. You can also give the phone number if you want. Then you can give your LinkedIn profile. Okay. So let me copy the LinkedIn profile. You can also give the GitHub profile. It is optional, but if you want, you can give. Okay. So you can directly give the GitHub profile. So it's always necessary whenever you are preparing your resume. Just try to add these are the like profile. Okay. So it will help you a lot. And try to manage your GitHub properly, so that if anyone is visiting, they will get impressed. You can give the location. Let's say I'll give Bangalore. Then you can give the title. So let's say I'll give data scientist. Then click on next. Now here you can give the professional summary. Okay. So I think I have some summary. Let's copy. Let me give it here. Then you can mention your working experience, like the company you are working on. So let's say I'll give you on position data scientist and mentor. You can give the starting date. Okay. Then if you let's say already end that company, you can also mention the end date. Now here you can describe your achievements and all. So maybe I can copy from my previous resume. So let's I'll copy this. I can mention it. Now click on next. Now here you can give the educations. Okay. And then you can give the starting date. Then you can give the skills. Okay, whatever skills you are having. So skills you can also mention. Let's say I'll copy some of the skills from here and mention it. Okay, one by one. Yeah. Then once it is done, you can mention the projects. Okay, the project, let's say you have developed so far. So maybe I can copy some of the project from here. Let's say medical chatbot. You can describe about your project. You can also give the technology you are using. Okay, so here I'll give generative AI. You can also add more technology. Let's say I'll give Python. That's how you can add more technology. Then I'll click on next. So once it is done, if you have the certification, guys, you can also add the certificate. Then create the resume. So it will take some time. After that, you will see that your resume would be ready. See, and here you can see the score. Okay, why like it is giving you why it is giving you like not the complete score, because I have skipped some of the point there. Okay, like your certification and all. If you are solving that, sorry, if you are let's say filling that, definitely you'll be getting 100% score. And here are some like areas to improve. It is giving you like the summary could be more tailored. Okay, to specify the job description. Education section lacks of specific details like GPA, relevant, and coursework. So these are the information. If you like fill, definitely your score would be increased. Okay, you can see the content is good, keyword is good. Okay, format is also improved, and readability is also good. Then the career roadmap also I'm getting as per my, let's say, information I've given on my resume. Then you can see the short term goals and the 5 year vision. Okay, what you have to do exactly. Then the projects. Okay, whatever project actually I have added, it is suggesting. Apart from that, it is also suggesting some different projects. Okay, you can do. Then the interview preparations. Okay, then the template of my resume. So here you can see the template. So this is the entire template. Okay, and here you can see the cover letter. So it's done. If you need some modification, you can do the modification. Then you can start like submitting this resume. So where you will be submitting in the job section. Okay, so here you can submit, and you can apply for the jobs from here directly. And if you want to let's say prepare for the interview, you can use Avani for that. That means everything in just one place. Okay, with a single subscription you can use everything. And for this you have to take the Euron Plus. Okay, Euron Plus you have to take. So any question, guys? Anyone having any question, let me know. Okay, no question. I think yeah. So yes, guys, this is the demo of like all the tools you have in the Euron platform, like Euri, Avani, Resume, and Job Portals. Okay, so you can check it out, guys. Link would be mentioned in the description. With that, thank you so much, and bye everyone. Thank you.